So we've got our Yoder 640 all fired up. We're running at 250 today. We usually like to run our chicken at 350, but we're not doing a big whole spatchcock chicken. As you can see, we got them on our trusty Yoder 640 sideboard. This is a must-have for every Yoder owner. We also do a front board and a set of 3. This sideboard and the front board, honestly, if you have a Yoder and you don't have some, go ahead and see our website, www.barbecueboards.store. Anyhow, let's get back to it. These lollipops on the grill. Most of the time we like to cook in the upper right of the Yoder. It seems to be the best smoke flavor, as well as seems to be the hottest. Most of the time we run our baffle fully closed, which is another thing that we've found over time gives you more consistent temperatures across the top. But if you are doing some big cooks down here on the bottom right, you're going to want to open that baffle all the way up. Make sure to stagger these, spread them out so that you get a good smoke flavor all the way around the meat. We're about an hour and a half in. Chicken's probing out about 170, 175, which is perfect for some legs or drumsticks. See what it looks like. Looking good, looking good. Drumsticks off of here and get it onto the front Yoder board. Threw some Mexican style corn on here with a twist. So not your standard normal chili powder. We used a rub. If you guys are interested, watch my other video about doing Mexican style corn. It's a very easy, simple solution for a nice little side to add to your meat. Although we'd love to only eat meat, gotta have some vegetables in there. As you can see, this board here is quite large. You can fit probably 3 times the amount of chicken drumsticks on this board. You can serve a whole party off of both of these boards, no problem. We've done it many times here. Get a look. Still got all this space, and really these can be pushed over all the way. The corn has been on for approximately 40 minutes. All you got to do is get the corn heated up. The mayonnaise and the rub become a nice juice and really add some flavor. All right, let's get it back inside. So we'll see you in there. All right, so we got our lollipop chicken drumsticks, Mexican style corn. Food is hot and the beer is cold. We'll see you next time.